Hello wood mice and dormice, it's Miss Sansom here and welcome back to our maths learning for this week. I hope you had a fantastic half term, you were able to enjoy the break. To start off with our maths learning, we are going to practice one more and one less. So if you need it in front of you, we've got numbers 1 to 10 and we have got the Numicon pieces. We've practiced one more and one less quite a few times now. So if you don't need to use numbers on the screen and you can do it without, that's absolutely fine. I'm going to say a number and you're going to tell me what one more that number is to start with. So remember, when we're finding one more of a number, we are going up the number line. The number is getting bigger by 1. If we are finding one less than a number, we are going down the number line and the number is getting smaller by 1 each time. So if I said one more than 5, 1 more than 5 is 6. Right, let's practice now. 1 more than 3. Well done. 1 more than 3 is 4. 1 more than 7. 1 more than 7 is 8. 1 more than 9. 1 more than 9 is 10. Well done. We're going to practice one less. Now remember, we're going down the number line and the number's going to get smaller by 1 each time. 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 7. 1 less than 7 is 6. 1 less than 10. Well done. 1 less than 10 is 9. This week in our maths learning, we are going to be looking at adding numbers together and combining two groups and working out how many we have all together. So when we're going to add our numbers, they are going to be getting bigger. So here I'm going to show you, we're going to use counters and we're going to use our tens frame. So I've got my two groups because I've got 2 blue counters and I've got 2 red counters. So I'm going to put my 2 blue counters to begin with, and then I'm going to move my 2 red counters into my tens frame. How many have I got all together? I've combined my 2 groups, I've put them in the tens frame. How many have I got all together? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all together 4. So I had 2 blue counters, add 2 red counters equals 4. So let's say that now as a number sentence. 2 add 2 equals 4. My 2 blue counters add 2 red counters. All together I have 4. Let's try another one now. Now in front of you, you can have your tens frames and you can have your counters. You might already have colour counters at home, but just make sure that you're using, it doesn't have to be the same colour as me, but you need to have 4 of the same colour and then 2 of the same colour. I've also attached some for you that you could cut out and use those. So have your tens frame in front of you and have your counters. If you need to pause the video to go and do that, that's absolutely fine. Then restart it when you've got those things ready. So this time we have got 4 blue counters and 2 red counters. Just like last time, we're going to put them in our tens frame to help us work out how many we have got all together. So I'm going to put my 1, 2, 3, my 4 blue counters and then my red counters. Remember, once I filled up the top line, I need to go back to this side. So we come back to the left underneath this one here. So I can see that I filled my top line, which is 5, and I've got 1 more. So all together I have got 6. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've added my blue and my red counters together and I've got 6. And I write that as a number sentence. So I had 4 of my blue counters. I added 2 red counters, and altogether it equals 6. Let's say that together as a number sentence. 4 add 2 equals 6. Let's do that one more time. 4 add 2 equals 6. Well done. Let's do another one together. So this time, have your tens frame in front of you. You need to have 3 of the same colour counter and 4 of the same colour counter. We're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to move our counters into our tens frame. 1, 2, 3 blue, and 1, 2, 3, 4 red this time. How many have we got all together? I can see I've got 5 and 2 more. 5, 6, 7. So all together we have got 7. I started with 3 blue counters. We added our 4 red counters, and all together we have 7. Let's say that now as a number sentence. 3 add 4 equals 7. Say it one more time together. 3 add 4 equals 7. Let's do one more together and then you can carry on afterwards. This time I have got 2 blue counters, and let's check how many red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So have your 2 of your one colour in front of you and your 6 other colour in front of you. Now let's put those into our tens frames. Got our 2 blues and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looking at our tens frame now, how many have we got all together? 5 and 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have got 8 counters all together. We started off with our 2 blue counters and we added 6 red counters. All together it equals 8. Say it as a number sentence. 2 blue, add 6 equals 8. One more time. 2 add 6 equals 8. Well done. You might like to carry on. If you're keeping your tens frame in front of you, then you can set yourself you set as your counters, just make sure they're same colour, and then you're going to add another colour. Put it on your tens frame, and then you can challenge yourself to write the number sentence underneath.